Hello my loves, we are back today with another PR unboxing by Bare Beauty Cosmetics. Make sure y'all follow their Instagram _ Bare Beauty Cosmetics.
Bless me with a look when you pass me. Know the same look when we get nasty. Don't think you wanna put nothing past me. Miss you since you came over last week. You fuck.
What's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiana. So yesterday I actually filmed my unboxing and I filmed my tutorial, but y'all, when I tell y'all, I just did not like the way any of it turned out. Like, I just didn't like it. And y'all know I'm not gonna post something if I don't like it. Like, I'm just not gonna do it. I took some nice pictures. I took some fire pictures. And then I was like, okay, I'ma just create my thumbnail and then I'ma film again tomorrow, because I just didn't like, I don't know. I'm still kind of getting used to filming in my room. As y'all can see, I'm in my room. So yeah, there's that. No longer have the flower wall. Don't know if I'm gonna be going back to that because I'm doing some changes to my house. Just, I don't know. Sometimes when you're a content creator, you have these like blocks, you know, these creative blocks, and sometimes you don't like what you do. It might look great to everybody else, but if it's not spot on for you, then it's just not spot on, and that's just the end of it. So we're gonna try this again, starting with my new PR unboxing. I'm still so excited with the product, and it's just a great product, y'all. Great product, great company, owned by a black woman, based out of Atlanta. And let's just get into it, okay? Let's get into it, because y'all, when I tell y'all your girl put her foot in these products, she put her whole ankle in it. All right, unboxing today is going to be Bare Beauty Cosmetics. This is the packaging. As y'all can see, it's pink. Pink is my favorite color, so I was extremely excited when I got this in the mail. Before we actually see what's inside, I just want y'all to notice the detail, okay? The logo in the front, look at that. So cute, so cute. The tape says pretty things inside. Like, it's literally giving every girl dream, like, especially if you're a girly girl like me, and I'm a girly girl. So if you play with Barbies and Bratz dolls and all that good shit, this box makes you happy. So let's open it. As soon as we open it, boom, Dare to be Bare. I love that. Love that. Love that logo. And then detail. Pretty things inside. The paper has the logo on it. Like, you just have to appreciate the amount of love and effort that was put into this packaging, okay? All right. As soon as you open the box, baby, it is giving. Oh, now mind y'all, I just told y'all I opened this yesterday, okay? And still extremely excited about what's inside. So right off the bat, the first thing that I want to pick up is the lashes and the glue. Look at these. Packaging. So very important when you're starting a business, because you have to catch the eye. And these definitely catch the eye, you guys. I mean, look at that wisp. Look at that wisp. Yeah. Love these. Very cute. Very cute. Bare Beauty Cosmetics, y'all. I'm definitely going to link the website and the Instagram in the description box below so that you guys can go and shop. Make sure that you use my code tapped in so you can save some coins, baby. Yes, oh my gosh. So first color that we're going into is Mocha, and I believe that this is a lip gloss. Look at that. Look at that. Let's swatch it. Ooh, it's so chocolatey. Right off the bat, I can tell it's not too sticky. I don't know about y'all, but I love lip glosses, but a lot of times I don't wear them because it's just too sticky. My hair get caught on it and everything. I just don't like it. Next tone that we're going into is Danny. Very cute. Next tone that we're going into is Overnight. I love the names on these. Very creative. Oh, and look at that nude. Oh, I love how the logo is on absolutely everything. Very cute. So let's go into Spoil Me first and see what she's talking about. Oh, she's pink. I love that. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. I love that. Let's see what she's talking about. Oh, she's cute. You know, as soon as I pulled this out, like, it definitely gives gloss, but I feel like it gives blush too. Y'all know how liquid blushes are in now. I feel like this would be good for that too. Just gotta know how to use it. And let's go in with Bombshell. Look at the consistency. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, I like this. I love that. This might be my favorite. Let's see. And let's try Unapologetic and see what it's giving. Oh, this is another nude. It's another nude. It's a whole gang of nudes. Oh, it's like a mauve. Ain't that what it's called, a mauve? So yeah, I'm loving these. Very cute. And before we move on, again, I just want to appreciate the packaging. If you're like me, you're really into makeup, so you always want to look for that cruelty-free sign. You're going to want to look for that vegan sign. It's definitely there. She gives you directions on how to apply the makeup, and I love that. It gives you the ingredients and as well as the logo. So yeah, and it's matte. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so chocolatey and velvety. Look at that. Oh yeah. Alright, next we're gonna go into Nude Mode. She must have known that I like nudes because y'all, oh my god, look at this one. Ah, the packaging, y'all. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at them. Ciao. I'm excited now. And Scarlet. Oh my god. Look at that red. Ooh. Oh, it's so velvety and so bright. Look at the pigment. What? Okay. It's gonna be her matte. Alright. And it's gonna be Catching Feelings, Nude Mode, and Scarlet. Oh, I can't wait to pick my favorite. Alright, y'all, moving on. Now, it looks like, obviously, this is a lipstick. Again, packaging. This is so cute. Ooh. Oh, she's sexy. Oh my God. I want to just put it on. Oh, and it looks like she's a little matte too. I like that. And the name of this one is Ferrari. So fitting. This packaging, oh, I just love it. So the first one we have is Hazel. Oh, she's cute. This color is Walnut. I'm gonna have the tutorial on a whole nother video. Make sure that you guys go and shop Bare Beauty Cosmetics, okay? I'm not gonna represent something if I don't absolutely love it. Make sure that y'all use the discount code tapped in so that you can save some coins, because girl, we love being cute on a budget. We love that, period. I don't care who you are. All right, y'all, so make sure that y'all go and look at the tutorial so y'all can see how I apply my Bare Beauty. And that's it, y'all. Bye.